guys, welcome to Dirt Talk TV, where we talk about everything construction. Today we're going to be talking about excavators. What? Like this one, that one. Oh god, no. Oh, there we go. Today, demolition. Guys, I haven't shown you this before, but let's get into it and I'll show you what it's all about. Now that's what I'm talking about. What an explosion! Have you ever felt like just pulling down your own house just because you just want to demolish it? He's pulling. You go and see what. How cool is that? Like, he just grabs it and then just pulls it over. It's so cool. I love demolition. I love watching the earth moving. I love the big machines and what they can do. Did you know before they actually do a demolition, they go in, they strip the entire house full of the old bad material like asbestos, contaminants, anything that is going to cause any damage to the environment. So they go in there and pull it out. See, I'm going to keep showing you, but check out this view from the cab. You can actually see it from the cab from where he's actually operating the machine. So it's pretty cool. Go and see. What do you reckon, guys? I reckon you can do it. Sit in the machine, pulling apart a house. But alright, enough joking around. This last one, it's a bit different. It's very big, it's a very industrial demolition. This boom is reaching about 30 meters in the air. It's huge. Look, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe, smash that like button, hit the little bell so you know when my videos go live, and I'll see you next time. Hey guys, welcome back to Dirt Talk TV. Last episode we spoke about demolition. So let's have a look at the shorts and what happened. Like, how cool is that? Like, he just grabs it and then just pulls it. I love the big machines. What about that explosion, eh? So cool. I love demolition. So that's why this week I want to take you on a different adventure. It's about earth moving and exactly what we do. So there's trenching, benching, bulk, and detail. Enough for that. Let's get into it. Enjoy these machines because there's some big ones in there.
Across to the right there.
So I'm going to stop you there. This is what I call benching. I know. Everyone's saying it's not benching because the truck's above, but this is what happens when you can't get the trucks underneath like this. So this is what we have to do. Anyway, I'll let you get back to it. Oh, hey, all right, let me fix it. Oh, while you're here, this next one is a time lapse. Enjoy. How cool was that? Back and forward, back. Oh yeah, I was a bit dizzy there. Okay, now I think we're in time for another time lapse. Enjoy. No, sorry. This is bulk. Sorry, just got dizzy from the last one. This is bulk excavation. Well, I know. You wanted to see the time lapse, so here it is. Let me jump in here. Hey, this is what you call detail. So he's detailing the batter on the side of a main highway. And it's a construction upgrade. I think this project was worth like $1 billion or something like that. Anyway, let you back to it. I don't know about you, but I love time lapses. I just wish operators could move at that speed all the time, but anyway, that's just what it is. Alright, now onto trenching. That's bulk, that's benching, now trenching. I know we're going a bit off course. Hey, what's normal in this world? I know it's looking like he's wanting to jump out of the cab, but he's got to see, like, he's got to see. Sorry guys, I don't know what happened with that footage there. It was just all jumpy. It's all good. It's all good. Okay, we've gone through trenching, benching, bulk, and detail. There you have it, guys. That's what an Earthmover does. Anyway, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the little bell so you know when our videos go live. And we'll see you next time, guys. And you get another treat for sticking around to the end of the video of another time lapse. See you next time, guys. guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to Dirt Talk TV. This number one mistake is costing contractors millions of dollars. Okay, so the number one mistake that contractors do is they don't know the size of the machine they need for their job. Unlike this guy in this next clip who has no idea what he's doing. Look guys, I'm going to show you a few videos of what the correct machinery is to use. Let's just run some videos, alright? Enjoy. What about that? That's what you call about hammer and rock. But you've got this guy, or you've got that. You can't compare the two. Let's just run some videos, alright? Enjoy. Welcome back guys.
to prove my point. Hey, so I'm going to jump in here. This machine, can you imagine if we swapped it for this machine? Let's have a look. Now, it definitely doesn't make sense, does it? When these two machines, it just blows my mind. Guys, thanks so much for watching the video. I hope you've enjoyed it and understand why it's important to use a certain machine for a certain job. The big job, big machine, little job, little machine. This is one of the reasons why contractors waste so many millions of dollars, and it's one of the biggest mistakes that they make. They don't understand that they have a certain machine for a certain job. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you've enjoyed it. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and make sure you hit the bell so you know when our videos go live. See you next time, guys.